Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Insights. Today in this video, we are going to learn about how to do Amazon keyword research in just 5 easy steps. If you want to find great converting keywords for your product and you want your product to rank on top of high searched volume keywords, which attract a lot of sales, then this video is for you. So let's dive into it. Step number 1, let's go to amazon.com and search a product that we need to find the keywords for. For example, my product is bedsheet organizer. Now we will go and open top 5 listings that are listed on this keyword. If you look over here, then it shows that their BSRs are very low. BSR means bestseller rank, and lower the rank means higher the sales the listing is getting. Now, once we have opened all the listings, we will go to step number 2, which is go to Cerebro Helium 10. Helium 10 is the most important tool for Amazon. So Cerebro is the tool that finds you the most converting keywords. And let's copy all the ASINs. We get ASINs from the listings. And if you scroll down on the listing, you will see here is its ASIN. ASIN means Amazon Standard Identification Number. Every listing gets their own unique number. We will put this into Cerebro search bar and it will start looking up on all the keywords these products are ranked on. You can put as many keywords as you want, but the limit is 10. So I would just put 5. So because these are the top listings, so these must be ranked on very good keywords. We copy from here and then paste over here. All right, this is the last SN that we are going to copy and paste over here. So we will click on get keywords now. So this takes us to our step number 3. Best thing about Helium 10 is that it has given us filters that we can use to get the best results. Now we want those specific keywords that are bringing sales to these listings. So we will put a filter of organic rank sorted from 1 to 10. So here, where is organic rank over here? Here is the rank. We are going to sort it from 1 to 20. For now, we just need keywords. We don't need to filter anything else. So we are going to apply this filter and get results. Now look at this fabulous data. We can analyze all the keywords from here. For example, how many people are searching this keyword on monthly basis on Amazon? Here's the trend. You can also check that if the trend is increasing or it's decreasing. It also suggests you how much PPC spend is gonna take. It's gonna take to rank your product on the top ranks. And we have how many sponsored ASINs are in on this keyword. We have competing products, how many listings are being showed on this specific keywords. CPR means that estimated number of units that need to be sold over 8 days. it means that 30 is the amount of units you have to sell on in 8 days to rank on top of the listing. So we have rest really don't matter. What we need to see is that the keyword has good search volume and how much PPC spend are we going to spend on one click and competing products. So we will sort the search volume from highest to lowest so we can get more converting keywords. All right, so now we have competing products over 10,000. We have a great keyword over here. Its search volume is 21,000 and its competing products are less than 1,000. Remember that in America we need to find products that should have less than 1,000 competing products. So what we're going to do, we're going to get keywords that have less than 1,000 competing products. So we will use the filter again and write that maximum competing products on a keyword should have is 1,000, not more than that. And now we will apply the filters. So here's the result. Now we have all these keywords who have good search volume and less competing products. What we're going to do, we're going to export this data to Frankenstein, because once we have written our content for our launch product, we will analyze if that content has good converting keywords or not. So let's go to Frankenstein. All right, it looks like this. Now, these are all total characters of our keywords. We want to remove duplicates. Definitely protect numbers. No, we don't want to add numbers. Convert to lowercase, sure. Remove common words, sure. Remove single letters. And one phrase, word, or phrase per line. Now, that's it. And now to analyze the content that we have written already, we will export this to Scribbles. Now, these are good converting keywords that we need to put into our content. For example, I have a content ready for this listing and I will put it here now. We will put title over here. And here's the content that I already made for this video. And I will put all this content over here. I will put title here, 5 bullet points over here, and description over here. Now this is step number 5. Once we are done, we will once we are done putting all the content here, you see I have also written some description for this and click apply. So what this will do is this will analyze how many keywords are indexed in the content and how many are left. Now what I will do is I will edit the content and try to use some of these keywords in it, and rest of them I will copy and calculate how many bytes do I require to put them into Amazon listing. And for that reason, we will use another app that is called MotherF. So this shows us that we have written some good content. A lot of keywords are indexed on this content, and we will copy and use keywords and put them into search term. Let's see. Okay, we haven't used bedsheet together. We have used bedsheet with a space in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove space so we can add this keyword. And now we'll have to just remove it from here. All right, flavanly, here's another keyword. So we can use high quality flavanly. breathable fabric. All right, so we can also remove flamingo from here. So let's copy all these keywords and go to website mother app. All right, here we will go to this. Oh no, sorry. We need byte counter. Remove, right? So we need to bring it to 50 bytes because this shows us here that we need to have 250 bytes to put on Amazon backend research systems. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna remove some of the last keywords and bring it to this, and now we will remove all the commas because we don't need commas in Amazon backend systems. Now that I have removed all the commas, we still have 207 characters, which means we have 308 bytes. So we'll start removing keywords that are in the end because we know that these keywords have less search volume than those on the top. All right, so now we have a total of 245 bytes, which is acceptable. We will copy this and go to Scribbles and then remove all that and copy these. So now we have 245 bytes out of 250 bytes, and our content is ready. It is completely indexed with all the top converting keywords that we needed. So this is the most easiest way to provide your clients the best content for their launch. Do let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe to get more informative content. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.